What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. How does it work? Does it really work? Is people say that, this affiliate marketing thing, you can actually make money? Well, stick around to this video, watch it to the end, and I'll explain to you everything about affiliate marketing and how it works. All right, so if this is your first time to my channel, absolute welcome. Happy to have you here. Make sure if you want to be a part of the family, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, turn on your bell notification. I just said that, but hit that thumbs up. Make sure you like this video. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. As you can see, I'm excited, and I'm going to tell you guys affiliate marketing review, like, does it really work? And most people are wondering what affiliate marketing is. So I'm going to be drawing some things on here as well so you guys can get. So basically what affiliate marketing is, I'm just going to break it down as easy as possible. I don't want to get too complicated, and I don't want things to go over your head. All right, so I'm going to break it down. So affiliate marketing is basically a company that has a specific product. And this is you right here. You're in the middle, right? This is you. So I'm going to show you guys and tell you guys some different ways how you can actually get your business going, right? And then this is, all right, so this is the company, right? This is you. This is the people. So I'll put people over here, or customers. So people, customers as well, right? So the customer is going to have a product or service or whatever it is that they're trying to sell. Weight loss product, weight loss pills, right? Maybe it's Amazon, maybe it's Walmart, or all that type of stuff. So the customer has an affiliate program down always at the bottom of the websites. So if you scroll down, see if they have an affiliate program, right? And the next thing, this is you. Your job is to find the product and connect that product to the people. That's it, right? So what you're gonna do, you're definitely gonna be a brand. And you probably heard this a lot and people throwing out there, but I can't get sales, I'm not making enough money. What is it that I'm doing, Andre? Now, here is the thing, right? Many people, or most people, I should say, don't know how to brand themselves. Now, branding yourself, what is branding? Branding is you standing out as a person, as an individual. Now look at yourself. Would you buy from you? If the answer is yes, then you're in a good place. If the answer is no, you definitely got to work on your branding. So there's a few key things that you need to work on, right? Start to create content. And what is content, right? You hear it all the time. Content is king. So what is content? Content is learning something or providing value to the people over here, right? These people, right? Provide content. So you're going to provide content and you're going to provide value at the same time, right? Content could be creating a blog post, making a YouTube video, making a Facebook post, making an Instagram post. But here's the thing. It's not just any post. You're not just going to just throw ice cream on the wall and hoping it's going to stick, right? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to figure out what is your ideal audience, right? So what is your ideal audience? Are you trying to target 18 to 25 years old? Are you trying to target 35 years old to 45? Who are you trying to target? Now, most people always say, well, I want to target people who want to make money. Everybody want to make money, believe it or not. Right now, Oprah want to know how to make money. right? Jeff Bezos want to know how to make more money. So what you have to do, right? Again, the content, the value, and find an audience. Now, I'm going a little backwards here, but I'm just going to share with you and tell you and break it down to you guys so you can have a full understanding of how everything works. So let's say you're the reason why you started this business. What's the main reason why you started this? Think about yourself. What is it that you're going through right now? Why did you sign up for whatever program? Why you decide to come online? Why did you decide to say, you know what, it's time to make a change? Now that's where you start. There's actually people out there just like you, right? Just like you right now, who's looking for you, for them to join your tribe, for you to give them value, for you to teach them the way. And people always say, but I'm brand new. I don't even know what to do. Listen, everybody was brand new. Everybody started at the bottom. You just got to find a way to get yourself up there. Because guess what? There is new people coming into the industry, new people coming into the space. So you can never run out of people, right? People go on social media a lot. People watch, I think it's what, a billion YouTube videos a day, right? People go on Facebook. There's over 250 million people active per month on Facebook, only in the US. Can you imagine the worldwide? Instagram, the same thing. I was searching the other day, there's actually over 200 and something thousand people go online to search every single day how to make money, how to do affiliate marketing, and how to have a better life. So if you can find customers for your business, you're doing it wrong. Provide content, provide value, put it out there. So again, why did you sign up, right? What's the main reason why you signed up? For me, why I signed up, because my wife was the only one working. I couldn't work because I'm an immigrant. So I needed to find a way how to get an extra income because she was working only $125 every 2 days of the week. So it's not a lot of money. And her feet hurt, her feet was swollen, and I just couldn't do it because moving from one country to the next and you can't find jobs and you can't get work because you're waiting for your paperwork to come through because she's from the US, right? So that's what happened. So I decided, hey, my target audience is to target people, right? So I'm going to give you my target audience is to target immigrants. That's who I target. I try to target immigrants. I try to target young family, right, who have kids. That's my audience. What is your audience? So I know how to speak to those people. I can speak to their language. It's just like how people would say, man, this relationship is not working out, but yet they're single. You guys get what I'm trying to say. I hope I'm not going sidetrack here. So this is how it comes all down in affiliate marketing, right? You find a company, you find the people, and then you get paid. That's it. So that means if you want to go and sell, right, weight loss product, and you want to find an affiliate marketing company with a weight loss affiliate program, right? You're going to come over here, you're going to sign up for them, get involved with what they're doing. Then, right, this is because, again, you always want to do something that you love, something you're passionate about. So you are going to go out there and start branding yourself, build an audience, right? Build an audience around weight loss, provide content. What did this company or what it is that they have done for you? What did the product do for you, right? Put it in a blog post it on social media. But here's the thing that many people go wrong. Let me clear this right now, right? Here is where so many people go wrong. And I've seen it, right? They're not branding themselves. They're branding the company. I'm not saying don't brand the company. I'm saying brand yourself. Brand you. Who are you? People buy from people who they like. Wait, hang on. People buy from people who they like, who they know, and who they trust. And here is how you're going to build that relationship with people, right? Again, through content. I don't hold anything back. People know everything about me. Now, most people like say, well, I don't really want people to know me. That's totally okay. But here's the thing, you could build a brand around a blog post. You could be behind the computer screen and nobody knows who you are. I'm sure you've seen a lot of blog posts. I'm sure you've seen a lot of Facebook pages, Instagram pages, right? Such as like, right? There's like dog pages, right? There's motor vehicle, luxury, right? Luxury. There's house pages. There's stuff about funny posts. There's stuff about all these different niches, right? Motivational posts, right? Same likewise with YouTube videos. There's people out there who's making YouTube videos and you've never seen them before. You heard their voice, you don't know who they are. You've seen a lot of blog posts about how to make money online. But how do you know it's not me who's creating the blog? You don't know who they are. So you don't have to be an extrovert. You could be an introvert, right? And you could still make money. So that's why I was saying build a brand, build something, right? Maybe you want to go into the dog niche and you start getting some cute pictures, start to target people who like dogs, right? They're going to start liking your stuff. And then what you could do, build that brand. Later on, you can even sell t-shirts to those people. You can sell cups, you sell mugs, right? Whatever it is, get an affiliate dog um, um, company, right? Go get links everywhere and you can promote it. You get paid. Likewise with luxury. People want to do shout outs. That is in real estate, right? All that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys get the idea of what I'm trying to say, right? So does affiliate marketing work? Absolutely. Because that's what a lot of people say that, well, I've tried affiliate marketing before, it never worked. Well, yeah, a lot of people try relationships and they never work either, right? A lot of people try marriage and it didn't work, right? So every field or everything have their ups, have their downs, have their good, have their bad, right? It's how you come across. If you go into something with a negative energy, that's what you're gonna get. Be positive about everything, right? So again, I hope this video helped. I know I was going all over the place, but I hope it all connects together. And if you guys like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And again, welcome to the family. Happy to have you here. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.